remote device or resource won't accept the connection in Windows 10. So if you want to solve if the remote device or resource won't accept the connection in Windows 10, it is very simple to fix it. In order to fix this, what we can do is first of all, from your search bar, you want to simply search for Internet Options. Once you search for Internet Options, open it up and then just go to Connections. From Connections, go to LAN Settings and just make sure all these three options are actually unchecked in this LAN Settings, right? And click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to simply search for CMD, which is command prompt, and right click, but run it as an administrator. Once you basically run this as an administrator, you have to run two commands. First is ipconfig slash release, then just hit enter. Then you'll see this. Then you second is ipconfig slash renew. So you want to type in this. So ipconfig space slash release, ipconfig space slash renew, and then hit enter. After that, restart your computer, and that should be able to help you with any issues that you have. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.